How to apply for Walmart jobs in Canada. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply for a Walmart job in Canada. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open any of the search engine and type in apply Walmart jobs Canada, and then you're going to click on this one, that is careers.walmart.ca. Simply click on that and you will be redirected to an interface like this. Scroll down a little bit and you're going to search for a job over here. Simply type in the keyword that what kind of job you want to search for. Type in the location in Canada where you want to search for. So I'm going to type in Quebec, Canada, and then you're going to select the radius. After that, click on search, and then Walmart will filter out according to your searches. So once you do so, you'll be able to see a list of search over here. So you can see there are numerous jobs over here. Let's see, you want to apply for bakery department manager. So simply click on it and you will be redirected to the specific job application. So you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll be able to see the success profile. You'll be able to see the responsibilities, give everything a read, and then you're going to click on apply. So once you click on apply, you'll be taken over to another interface that will look something like this. So what you're going to do is simply over here, you'll be able to see the job is full-time, when it was posted, and the job serial number. And then you're going to click on apply. And here you'll be able to see a couple of options, that is autofill with resume, apply manually, or use my last application that you have applied for any other job. So let us click on apply manually. So once you click on apply manually, you'll be able to see an interface like this that would say create account. So first of all, you're going to type in the credentials of your Walmart account. So I'm going to type that real quick. After that, you'll be redirected to this interface that would ask you to type in your information. So you're going to first of all tell them how did you hear about us. So which platform, like let's say advertising and billboard. After that, you're going to select your country and then you're going to give your legal name. So whether you're Miss, Mr. or Mrs., type in your name, your first name, middle name, last name, suffix, and then click on save and continue. So over here at the top, you'll be able to see my information. When you click on save and continue, you'll be taken over to my experience, tell about the previous jobs, roles, click on save and continue, and then you'll be taken over to application questions such as question 1 and question 2. Those will be very easy questions. So simply type in the answers and then you'll be taken over to voluntary disclosure and then click on review and you're good to go. So that is basically how you can apply for a Walmart job in Canada. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.